Hi, my name is Lily and welcome to the virtual tour of the Joliet Public Library's Digital Media Studio. Here at the DMS you can do all sorts of things, from editing videos to taking photos to even printing on a t-shirt. All you need is a Joliet library card. All of the computers at the DMS are outfitted with the entire Adobe suite, including Photoshop, Premiere Pro, Illustrator, and more. We also have various freeware programs like Blender, Krita, DaVinci Resolve, and CapCut. You can book a one-on-one consultation with a DMS employee to edit videos, make business cards, or design a logo, and more. You can also come in and use the computers independently. We also have 2 Wacom Cintiq drawing tablets for all of your artistic needs. In the green screen room, you can record YouTube videos, music videos, or just take photos and switch out the background afterwards. We also take headshots. You will work with either a DMS employee or you can bring your own camera and shoot independently. At the DMS, we also have 2 soundproof audio booths where you can record podcasts or vocal and instrumental music. You'll work with one of our audio engineers to make a wonderful final product. Do you have old VHS tapes, cassettes, vinyl records, or CDs? Then we can digitize them for you here. Bring them in and we can put them onto a flash drive, CD, or DVD. Your choice. Please bring in your own flash drive, CD, or DVD, but if you cannot provide them, then there are ones available to purchase at the DMS. Do you want to 3D print a figurine or a fidget toy for your desk? We've got you covered. Here at the DMS, you can make an appointment with our 3D print specialist and we'll get whatever you need made. 3D printing does have a cost, which is 10 cents per gram. Do you want to print a poster for your room or design custom stickers? We can do that here. At the DMS, we can print on professional satin photo paper or matte vinyl adhesive. Bring in your design and you can print it here. Prices for poster printing vary depending on the size of the poster. You can see the prices on screen now. If you'd like to laminate your documents, we can do that here. The price is $1 per foot. Do you want to make a t-shirt for your next family reunion, for your business, or for your band? Then we've got you covered. Here at the DMS, you can design your shirt here, or you can bring in your own design and we'll print it on a shirt for you. The cost is $7 per print. At the DMS, we also have a button maker. Bring in your own artwork or designs and we can turn them into lovely buttons like our employee Cora has here. The prices for button making are on the screen. We also have a Cricut machine. The Cricut is free if you bring your own materials, but if you do not, then it is $1 per sheet of material used. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour of the DMS. If you're interested in any of our services and want to make an appointment, please give us a call at 815-846-3127 or email us at dms@jolietlibrary.org. Please remember that you need to bring your own external storage drive, like a flash drive, in to save your materials, and that you must have a Joliet Public Library card in good standing. We hope to see you at the DMS!